Hello, please hold the 4-channel remote receiver, USB 4-channel remote button, and cigar lighter switch. And please see these two levers of function wires, connection with VCC and FUN. If you want to delete the code, please connection the GND and the common wires. Connection these two lines with shorter circuits and delete the coder succeeds. Please attention the delete code. The delete coder, the light will change into blue and stand for delete coder succeeds. Press the button, no reply. If you want to add a code, please connection the VCC and FUN these two lines. Connection these two wires and the shorter circuits stand for the added coder succeeds. Please attention the added indicator lights will turn on the green and flash, and the running light will on stand for the added coder succeeds. And please the channel 1, channel 2, 3, 4 stand for the added coder succeeds. Then please insert the cigar light switch. And if you want to add a coder succeeds, and this light will turn on the green and flash. Stand for the added coder succeeds. And press the button. You can press button 2, but 3. Have the 3 buttons. And the last one was the USB. If you want to add a coder succeeds, then the green light will on and flash. Then if you take off, and you can insert it, you have the 5 minutes the reply. Added coder succeeds, the green light will flash. Then it can work the added coder succeeds. Okay.